stop noise in AZ engine.
Okay. How to stop noise for 2 AZ engine. This tappet, this camshaft cap, this camshaft cap. Anytime this place don't get groove, don't chop. You will see the motor must to make noise. We change the timing chain. The thing must to make noise. The thing you go do there, just hold this in. Just bring it like this. Bring the cap head like this. You do them like this. Shorten them small, a little. Shorten them a little. As they short, you go to test. As they short, you go to test. Nah, you don't get small gap. Small gap for under there. The thing you go do there, you collected the nut. You collected the nut. Tight. Tight. As a tight finish, you collected the nut. As a tight finish, whole hand of this place. Don't want to know the thing don't do. Okay, hit them. You know go jump before the one don't chop. As they hit it, you go to go up and down. So they hit them like this. To know the one no good. Like this one now don't stop noise. Cannot hear any noise for this place again. It's too strong now. You go make sure you check all of them one by one. Go check all of them one by one. As you do it like this, start the motor. Make sure the timing chain is strong. As this timing chain is strong like this, any noise you hear, make sure you check out the whole cap. Just short them small so because of the top itself don't chop. The top itself, the top sitting of this place they run like metal, don't chop. The thing is, you just collected the cap of this one, file it down with a rough sandpaper, file it down. As you file it down and tight it, you see no noise. The noise we no hear even single noise again. Yes, look at it on this thing. The thing don't chop, don't get some groove, don't chop, don't short. So you go do there now to just bring it like this, hold on like this. Some part of small, not too much, yo. Some part too much. You want some people to find this thing another one. You just sample them a little. To shorten them a little, not too much. You short them too much, you can seize the engine. Short them too much. Short a little. A little. A little. You make sure you use oil. Touch them. Use oil. Touch them. Short a little, not too much. Short a little. As they do it, you make sure you turn the engine. As they do it, just they turn the engine. You turn the engine. What about the motor? The it.
No, on wiper. Off wiper.
Again. It's okay. Leave it there. See, that time you go hold this one. And this one is no good. It's jumping. As like you go feel it for your hand. So the thing is jumping. Bring that feature like this. It's jumping. Watch it there. Inside. It's jumping up and down. It's vomiting foam. Means say that place have a gap of that place. That place having a gap. You hold a hand like this, they feel it together with your hand. As knack like this. This one it cannot cross the weight of the sound of this thing cannot cross here. As you hold hand there, the thing is crossing. Now stop. We just file it down. I'm not sure file it down. File it down. Excuse me, I'm walking. We make sure file it down a little. File it down. File it down because of what? The thing don't chop inside. Don't eat inside and the top itself don't chop, don't shut. The thing you go do, you go just bring yourself down, cool down, focus. Check the oil line. As far as the motor don't pump oil, the camshaft head is okay. The motor see they make noise. You don't check the bulb then. Change all the hose, all those bulbs. You didn't see they make noise. Is this place you go direct. Shutting up, it will work. No, don't need just watch. You see the line of the thing. Thing don't chop inside. They show like oil no there. In the motor is pumping oil normal. It's because of the thing they go up and down. Up and down. The thing they shutting off this cap. Shutting off the top itself. Now to control that thing, you can use this and shorten it small and tight it. Anytime you change the camshaft, you change the top. Anytime you want to do the motor, you want to keep it in the normal way, not to bite top. Come on, some people know how one to do it. You just shorten up like this and put it. It can work. Small gap over here. See this, a little gap. Before the thing door has gap before. I don't file it. On this one, yes, must give them a little gap. That little gap you give them, you tight it, you go press together with the other one strong. Okay, this one small gap. Like this one get too much gap. You can tight it very well. The engine cannot turn or ain't turn. So by the way, so I'm sure the thing must to turn, it must to work. And the thing no turn means you don't change this cap again. The thing no turn means you don't change this cap again. But to do it like this, all of them, the engine will come, they change, the sound of the engine will change. They normal. It's only this top with the problem of this 2GR. Okay, 2AZ. Okay, this is 2AZ engine. It's only this top, the problem of this engine. 2AZ. As you do finish, you can knock them. You cannot hear that weight again. That thing they do as they knock in, they jump up. As they knock them in, they jump up. This one is okay now, perfect, okay. Now to just revolve the engine. Oh yeah, revolve the motor. Oh yeah, revolve. Let's take that very well. It's okay. Yes, sir. Don't know. Watch this one. This one don't have any gap. This one don't have any gap. Don't have any gap. Stop. You come here and just make sure you put down and do it. Put down and do it. Yeah. Compare. Yes, just watch. See the gap of this thing I give them. You tight it well. And like before, the thing no has that gap. Because of my filing of the thing, the gap is coming out. Now, this one don't has a gap. I mean, no has much gap. Now I will need to shorten it small. Let it have the same gap of this, very small, a little. Give me the razor. You make sure the thing has a gap razor. If you enter like this, put razor like this. Make sure it has enter full razor. Put like this. See. Mark out the razor. Yes, this thing you can do now. You collected your bolts and tight. Because of all those top noise they hear, da 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 da. making up noise every time for 2AZ. Making noise for top every time. You hear sound of top, don't change camshaft head, the noise still be the same. Just bring this car, shorten all of them. You see the sound of the engine must be okay. Must be this sound. Before I'm coming. Again, before. Again. Before steady now. Strong. The thing is season of the engine. Now, another method to do it. You have to buy